I'll bring everybody back in.
So how many did Mr. Warbling speak to?
I think 2,
Okay.
maybe. Oh, he's still speaking to somebody.
Oh, God.
I don't know.
Better to not and say we did.
Okay. Do you see anybody in here that you can move forward with? Let's do Mr. Tory Jones Jr. Let's get him out of here.
Okay.
All right.
And then we could do Sheree Jordan. She's quick also.
Okay.
Sorry.
This is the people versus Tory Jones Jr.
Yes, ma'am.
Ordering in place of illegal occupation with intent to engage. Count 2, violation of governor's executive order. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Tory Jones will stand mute, waive the formal reading of warrants in each matter. Ask that these matters be set for a trial date or pre-trial date at the court's discretion.
Okay. And Mr. Jones Jr., as I stated to you briefly off the record, there is no offer at this time from the prosecution, so we are going to set this for a trial date, okay? Can you hear me, Mr. Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to enter a not guilty plea and set your trial date for November 12th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set. Make sure you write the date down, November 12th, 8:30 a.m. And it's going to be via Zoom still, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Well, have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Thanks. And you said Ms. Sheree Jordan next?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Sheree Jordan, go ahead and unmute your phone.
I'm here.
Okay. Calling case P1077-9966, the people versus Sheree Jordan, 1 count of no insurance. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Jordan. Your Honor, is the vehicle involved in the traffic stop, a 2011 Ford?
That's
Okay, Your Honor, I did see proof that Ms. Jordan has obtained insurance effective date June 4th, 2020, good through December of this year. We'd ask that the case be dismissed based on compliance.
okay, Ms. Jordan, I will dismiss based on compliance. There's stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you.
There is a stipulation of probable cause, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you're welcome, Ms. Jordan. So you are all set. Your case has been dismissed, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Okay, does it matter who's next?
No.
Okay, let's do Anthony Johnson. Did anybody speak to Anthony Johnson?
I spoke, no, I did not.
Mr. Johnson, did you speak to the attorney yet?
Yeah, I guess he did.
I believe so. I'm not sure.
Yes, I'm sorry.
No.
I did not speak to this. No, I did not speak to
her.
Anthony Johnson.
Mr. Johnson, it's a
Yes.
simple question. Since you logged in today, did you go into a breakout room and speak to a lawyer about your case?
No.
There we go. Okay, Attorney Warbling, can you speak to Mr. Johnson about his case, please?
Yes, I can, Judge.
Okay, I am going to recreate all of these rooms. Go ahead and accept the invitation to go into the breakout
Yes.
room. And let's move on. Attorney Cameron.
Okay.
Ms. Fraser L., how do you say your first name again? Because I was gonna say Tasha.
It's Tashaniqua.
Tashaniqua, okay. This is the people versus Tashaniqua Fraser L. Calling cases U511-91219 in the park after closing, as well as P1078-206, no insurance. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Fraser L. Your Honor, she's going to avail herself of the Corporation Counsel recommendation to plead to a 3-month delayed sentence on the remaining in park after closing with a dismissal of the no insurance ticket.
Is that correct, Ms. Frazier?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case in private?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Ms. Frazier, you already pled guilty to this back in July 2019.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
Okay, so you just didn't pay, I guess you didn't pay on it. Is that what it is? Did you not pay any fines or costs?
I'm sorry.
Did you pay on this case like you were supposed to?
No, because I had stopped working by then.
Okay. So since you already pled guilty, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it out and zero your balance out, okay?
thank
Okay.
you. I did not know it had been adjudicated. It was not on the docket, so, okay.
Yeah, you know either. Okay, you're all set, Ms. L. Frazier. Frazier L, excuse me. I'll dismiss the no insurance count per the recommendation. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, there is, Judge. Thank you. There's stipulation.
Ms. Frazier L, you're all set, okay? Your case has been closed.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. Let's do Mark Jackson.
Yes.
Okay, it's the people versus Mark Anthony Jackson, calling case P1093309. Count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mark Jackson. He's going to plead to improper plates in this matter with the dismissal of the other matter.
Can you state your name for the record, sir, Mr. Jackson? Mr. Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone. The fire tablet, can you state your name, please?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, can you state your name?
D'Angelo Jackson.
D'Angelo Jackson. Okay, I'm gonna put you on mute. You've been checked in, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's move on to Mariah Johnson. Okay, Ms. Johnson, calling case P1092869, people versus Mariah Johnson. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Your Honor, she's going to plead to 1 count of improper plates with the dismissal of the other counts.
Okay. Attorney Cameron, would it be beneficial if she had pled to the allowing an unlicensed driver over the improper plates? It wouldn't be something would be abstracted, right?
Yes, the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive does not get abstracted. So we ask the court to allow her to do that.
I will allow that. Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial? You have to say yes or no for the record.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue to plead guilty?
yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring attention to June 23rd, 2020, around 1:58 PM. Was a 1998 GMC tan vehicle registered to your name?
Okay. What time?
Ms. Johnson, I need you to pay attention. We're in the middle of court, and we got a lot of people waiting. You listen.
Okay.
On June 23rd, 2020, around 1:58 PM,
Okay.
in the city of Detroit, did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 1998 GMC tan vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Mm-hmm.
Defense is satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, so I will dismiss the two remaining counts. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
Stipulation of probable cause, Judge. Thank you.
Ms. Johnson, I'm waiving your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Okay.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
So, Mr. Jiggins, I have you checked in. I'm gonna get you in with an attorney. And Angela Jackson, I have the young lady with the blue jean jacket on and the iPhone. Can you unmute your phone and state your name, please?
Kynesha Jennings.
You said Tynesha?
Kynesha Michelle Jennings.
Okay, I have you checked in, Ms. Jennings. Just hold tight.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's take care of Lasheen Jackson.
Yes.
Okay, calling cases P-104-6928, the people versus Lasheen Jackson, driver's license expired. P-106-7426, 105 over the speed limit, no receipt of or unsigned registration, and no proof of insurance. And P-959-539, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle and no insurance. Appearance?
Yes,
Yes.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of LaShawn Jackson. Your Honor, Ms. Jackson is going to plead to one count of failing display with the dismissal of the other matters.
Is that correct, Ms. Jackson?
Yes, I paid the tickets of no proof of insurance, no registration, and driving over the speed.
Okay. So Ms. Jackson, I also need you to turn on your video.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your,
No.
are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Ms. Jackson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Understanding that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring attention to March 11, 2020, around 7:18 PM, 7:18 AM, in the area of Outer Drive and 6 Mile in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2018 Ford vehicle with an expired license.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes,
Yes.
defense is satisfied.
I will accept your guilty plea, Ms. Jackson, and whichever cases you haven't taken care of, they'll be dismissed as part of your plea, okay?
Okay.
And I also waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Workman, do we still have you for a minute?
What was that? I'm sorry, Judge.
We still have you for a moment?
Yes, we can, Judge. I didn't, for Anthony Johnson Jr., and I apologize, Judge, I didn't know what the offer was with him.
It is no offer because
Oh,
I
okay.
can't really do that.
Okay, right. Okay, it was allowing.
Yeah,
Okay. That might be a no contest plea, but we discussed that with him.
okay. Let's, I'm gonna put you in with D'Angelo Jackson.
Very good. Thanks, Judge.
And his offer will be for failure to display. I'll dismiss the other two counts.
Failure to display. Very good. Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Can you see me?
Yes,
Oh.
go ahead and accept the invitation. Mr. Jackson, Daniel Jackson, just go into the breakout room.
I can't be on the phone right now. I'm on the way to an appointment.
All right.
Okay. Theron Flournoy? Theron Flournoy? Go ahead and unmute your phone. There we
Yes, Your Honor.
go. Okay, we're getting ready to call your matter. You did speak to an attorney, correct?
No, I have not.
You have not, okay. You will be next in line. Give me one moment. When Mr. Worthman comes back, I will have you in a breakout room. Ms. Johnson Hubbard, is she on the call? Okay, Mr. Anthony Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Going to plead guilty today to the one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive?
What's the is there any points on that?
No.
No.
What is the fine?
So you can't get a fine before you plead guilty. If you've been listening, you would notice that I haven't been giving anyone fines and costs.
Okay, I would like to plead guilty.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Okay, this is case SP 106-3821, people versus Anthony Johnson. One count, of allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance.
Belinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
You state your full name for the record, Mr. Johnson.
Anthony Johnson, Jr.
Thank you. Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone greatly force you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Mr. Johnson, that pleading guilty is the right to a trial?
You said waives my right to a trial?
Yes. Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Well, okay.
You understand that?
Yes. I understand that.
Okay. Knowing that you're waiving your right to a trial, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, I would like to discuss the case.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to February 25th, 2020. In the city of Detroit, you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 2020 Chevy vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
You have to say yes or no, Mr. Johnson.
Yes.
You've been in.
It's yes or no, sir.
Okay, I'm going to accept your guilty plea and waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Okay.
You're all set? You have any questions?
Yes. You have a nice day.
You too. Mr. Jiggins, let's get him out of here.
Good.
Go ahead and unmute your phone, Mr. Jiggins.
You, all right.
Yes.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Pretty good. Because of your case, the nature of your charges, we can't resolve it today because we need a state prosecutor and we don't have one present. So I'm going to go ahead and get you arraigned and get you a trial date, okay?
Okay.
All right. Calling case P 107-8259, the people versus Bruce Jiggins. Count 1, violating the governor's executive order, and count 2, no insurance. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Jiggins. Plea is not guilty, requesting a pretrial date, please.
Okay. So pretrial date of October 21st. And I will enter a not guilty plea. So what that means, Mr. Jiggins, is on your pretrial date, there will be a lawyer present who can speak to you about the offer that will be in the file at that time. If you don't want to plead guilty, we'll set it for a trial date. And your trial date will probably be the end of November. If the officer appears, then you can take the offer that was offered on your pretrial date. You can go to trial, or if the officer does not appear, I will dismiss the matter, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
So you're welcome. It'll be at 8:30 a.m., October 21st, okay?
That is through the Zoom meeting, or is that actually at the courthouse?
We'll still be on Zoom, I'm sure.
Thank you. I appreciate your time.
You are welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
Have a blessed day. Thank you.
Thanks. Yes, what's your name?
Blazes James.
Say the first name again.
Blazes, Blazes.
Okay, I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you on mute until it's time to call your case.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
I'm putting you back on mute until it's time to call your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
Yes, she's on there. Yeah, fourth page.
Okay, Attorney Worthing, can you speak to Mr. Lenoy?
Yes, I can, Judge.
Mr. Freeze, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Attorney Worthing to speak about your case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And the offer is for improper plates, just so you know, Attorney Worthing.
Okay, Judge. What was the offer? I'm sorry, Judge.
Improper plates.
Improper plates.
Plates.
Thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
It broke up.
Now, Mr. Mark Jackson, can you hear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's get you out of here. Calling case P1093309, People versus Mark Anthony Jackson. This is a recall appearance.
Yes, Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mark Jackson. He's going to plead to the improper plates today as a plea and take advantage of the plea officer offer, dismissing the other count.
Hey, Mr. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, no truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Mr. Jackson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes,
Say that one more time, I didn't hear you.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and knowing that you're waiving that right,
Yes, Your Honor.
I heard you the second time. Knowing that you're waiving that right to the trial, do you want to continue? You plead guilty.
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to June 25th, 2020, around 9:54 a.m. in the area of Woodward and Hancock in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2014 Ford vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Okay, I will amend the charge to improper plate. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Judge, I am. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to dismiss the remaining count.
Yes.
Cause.
There is a stipulation of probable cause, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Jackson, I'm waiving your fines and costs, so you're all set today, okay? Okay, we'll be done. Oh, Mr. Jackson, you're all set, okay?
I appreciate it. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
You know, I have got life.
Kamisha Jennings,
Yes,
did you speak to an attorney yet? I don't think so, right?
correct. No, I haven't.
Okay, I'm going to put you in with Attorney Wordling to talk about your case. The offer is for, Attorney Wordling is for improper plate, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Did you accept the invitation, Ms. Jennings, to go into the breakout room? Okay. Mr. Flournoy, are you gonna take that offer that Attorney Worthman just spoke to you about?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Calling cases P1078070, People versus Theron Flournoy, no insurance. P1078061, prohibited right turn, and P1078197, expired plates. Appearance?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Flournoy. He's going to accept the improper plates, dismissal of the other 2 counts.
Okay, Mr. Flournoy, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case in private?
Yes, I have.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes,
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
I do.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Flournoy, I'd like to bring your attention to April 16, 2020, around 11:15 a.m. in the area of Plymouth and Southfield in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2007 Lincoln vehicle without insurance?
I was.
Okay, satisfied?
Yes, Judge, I am. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Flournoy, I'm waiving your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today, okay? And I dismiss the remaining counts.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks. Okay, D'Angelo Jackson?
Hello?
You'll be driving.
Hello?
I'm calling tomorrow. Okay, I'm ready to call your case, Mr. Jackson.
Okay.
This is People versus D'Angelo Jackson. Calling cases P1078014, driving while license not valid or proper license. Count 2, no insurance, and P1041540, open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver. Appearance?
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Jackson.
Can you state your name, sir?
D'Angelo Jackson?
Okay. Did you have the opportunity to speak to an attorney today?
Yes.
Okay, are you going to take the offer, or are you setting a trial date?
I will have to set a trial date.
Okay. For arraignment purposes, Attorney Cameron?
Judge, will stand mute and wait before reading the complaint warrants in these matters.
So I will enter a not guilty plea, Mr. Jackson. And I'm sending a
Okay.
Yes.
for October 21st.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Jackson, did you hear anything I just said?
I really can't. I'm sorry. The connection is terrible where I'm at.
Pre-trial date for October 21st at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
8:30 a.m., call on Zoom, October 21st.
Okay, thank you.
And Ms. Jenkins is back. Jackson. I can't find Blazes James' file right now. Let's see, what the hell? So the offer will be for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for Blazes James.
Okay.
take care of Ms. Jennings in the breakout room.
I can do that.
Okay. And Attorney Workman will take care of Ms. Kamisha Jennings.
Yes.
Ms. Jennings, go ahead and unmute your phone and start your video. There we go.
Okay.
Calling P 87931, the people versus Kamisha Jennings. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, driving while license not valid or proper license. Appearance.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Worthing, P64889, we have Ms. Jennings.
Can you state your name for the record, Ms. Jennings?
Misha Jennings.
And Your Honor, it's my understanding she wishes to waive her rights. She wants to take advantage of the resolution.
Is that correct, Ms. Jennings?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, no truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your cases?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
I'm sorry, I can't. The phone is breaking up.
Did anyone force you, threaten you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Can you let that person know, whoever it is with the noise, is it a TV on or something?
I'm sorry.
Somebody in school?
No, it's the TV. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Jennings, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to June 23rd, 2020, around 12:37 p.m. in the area of Finkel and Quincy in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2017 Dodge vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Okay, satisfied? You are on mute, Attorney Worthing. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jennings, I'm going to amend the charge to a 0-point offense for improper plates, and I'm going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything, okay?
Okay.
Dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there stipulation of probable cause for those 2 dismissals?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jennings, if you don't have any questions, you are all set today, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, have a good one.
You too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, that helped out a lot. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I'm glad I could do something to assist.
Oh, no, that was wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Have a good rest of the day.
Thanks, you too. See ya.
You and your staff. Thanks.
Was there a Denisha Johnson Hubbard that called me? Do y'all remember that name? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the one that you looked the date up because we didn't see her on the
Oh,
document.
yeah. Her last name was Hyperlink.
That's right.
What happened to her?
She got what?
I don't think, I didn't call her case, did I? So. She was like one of the first people. Yeah. Let's see, is she in a breakout room somewhere? No. Well, we'll just reschedule her. If she doesn't call back in, set her up for it. How was that? Is that good? Pretty good. Great. Chat say great.
Is this Karen still in the breakout room?
Yeah, she's with, Raises James.
Okay.
understand how it's your excuse for not being calling because you're driving when you're not supposed to be driving.
He didn't know how to do this.
Well, he needs to,
And I told her, I said, it's cool, stop. We're talking about
what do you say?
I'm doing it. I don't know anything.
Well, you can sit down somewhere. How you gonna drive and do anything? That's why I didn't feel like that. Anyone to fix that here or not? No shows.
We ready for tomorrow? Sydney got the ones for the morning for the.
Yep.
Okay.
You continue? Please stop. I think so. Are we ready on Ms. James?
Yes.
Okay. Calling case P 1093857, the people versus Blazers James. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Appearance.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. James. Your Honor, I had a long conversation with Ms. James. She's 70 years old. This vehicle was sold to her son's girlfriend, who ended up getting these tickets. She signed off on the title. The title obviously never got transferred, unbeknownst to this lady, and she's homebound. And in interest of justice, Your Honor, I'm going to ask that the case be dismissed. Now, the transfer of the title has still not been effectuated, but according to the person who supposedly bought the vehicle is supposedly in a junkyard because she drove through deep water and the engine got flooded, ruined the engine. But I told her to go to that junkyard when she can and find out if that vehicle was in fact junked, so this doesn't happen again.
Okay. And, because of the lack of access, I will add that as well to the reasoning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's been very difficult during these times. So, Ms. James, can you state your full name for the record?
Blazes Marie James.
Okay, Ms. James, I'm gonna go ahead and grant that motion from your attorney and dismiss all 3 counts, okay?
God bless you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Oh my.
Any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Can I have my son do it? I'm homebound. I'm handicapped. I can't get out. So can I have my son to get the statement from the junkyard?
Just not driving in that vehicle, any vehicle that's not registered or that doesn't have insurance.
Okay.
If he needs to get a ride, have him get a ride in a vehicle that is insured and with registration, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So you get that, that's for your own sake. You don't have to do anything else with the court. You're done with us. I dismissed all your counts.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank Ms. Cameron too. She helped you out.
Thank you, Miss Karen. Thank you.
Bye, Mrs. James.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one.
Goodbye.